Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys something totally different. I'm quite sure some of you guys already have seen it before, but I'm going to show you how VELDOGGS make his stuff. That's right, I'm going to be making you guys pickle sandwiches. That's right. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need about 2 pickles. You're going to need an ice cream scoop. You're going to need some Swiss cheese. You're going to need some cheddar cheese, mild. You're going to need some pepperoni. You're going to need some genoa, salami. You're going to need some bacon. You can make yours fresh if you want to. I didn't feel like cooking it, so I just bought me some. You're going to need some turkey. This is oven roasted turkey, and this is honey ham right here. And you're going to need, for the, well, I'm going to use this right here, some French fried onions, crispy onions. And this is some Chipotle. This is 1,000 Island. And this is blue cheese. Alright. And then for your toppings over here, you're going to need some tomatoes, some onions, and some lettuce. Alright? So let's jump right into it. Let me move this plate over here, because we're about to get jiggy. First thing you want to do, you want to see how your pickle is going to sit, right? It's going to sit like that, right? So we're going to come and cut it halfway down, all the way through. Just like so. Then you're going to take your ice cream scoop. I'll bring this back over here so I won't make a big mess. Take your ice cream scoop and you're just going to get all that inside out of there. Okay? Now I may need a little smaller one, but this will work. You can use a spoon too, guys. Alright, so this is what you want to do. You want to cork that out of there. Just like that, guys. See that up close? That's what you want to do. Alright, that's what we have. So I'm going to put this to the side, and we're going to work on this one. Alright, so this one we're going to go ahead and start with the first one we'll be making is like the club. So let me make sure this is sitting up right. Yep. I'm going to put a little of this in there, which is the blue cheese. Now if you want to use some Hellmann's or some Duke or whatever you can. We'll come in here with our lettuce. Put our lettuce up in there. Come with us a few onions. Got about 2 of these tomatoes, like so. Alright, then we're going to come in here with our ham. Take about 3 of those. Come with some turkey. Throw about 3 of them. this over here in the middle. Just like that. Then we'll come with our bacon. Get 2 of those, or many as you want on yours. Just like that, guys. Then we get some cheese. Gotta get some cheese on there. Try to get this open. The struggle is real. Alright. You only need 1. Fold that in half, like so. And you can just put that on there. Just like that. Take your top part and you just put it on there. Just like that, guys. Take all this other stuff. See if I can fit it up in there. Alright, that's 1 down. I got a skewer. Just gonna stick that up in here. Just like that. And I'm gonna put that to the side. Alright. So, start with the other one. Alright. So, that's what we're gonna do for this one. This is going to be Italian, okay? I'm going to wipe my hands off here. Now for my Italian, I'm going with 1,000 Islands on this one. Just like that. Here's some lettuce. Onions. Now you could put the Italian dressing on that too. Maybe that's why I should did, but it'd be too liquidy. Okay. All right. Tomatoes. Probably throw 3 of these on here. Like so. Get my ham out again. Turkey. Pepperoni. These are super thin too. I go with 4 of these. That back in the bag. So that's going on a different sandwich. Get some hard salami. Alright, we just put this bad boy together. Let me flip it this way. All my stuff won't fall out. And that's that one. Right there, guys. Go ahead and put a skewer on this one. And get started on the next one. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on this Chipotle one. Alright, we're going to come in with us some Chipotle. That tastes good. Just like that. Our lettuce. We're going to put a little bit more Chipotle on this. Just like this. We're going to take some of these French onions, crisp. We're just going to put them bad boys on there. Just like so. That's why I put the Chipotle on there again. So it can stick on there a little bit better. Okay. We're going to come with some of this cheese. Just like that. Come with this ham. Four pieces of those. Right there with it. And we'll take us some hard salami. Okay. Just like that. Okay, guys. I'm going to take our top, our bottom piece, put that on there. Just like so. And then we're going to get us a skewer. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and clean up all this mess and I'll show you the final product in a minute. Okay guys, here it is. Let you guys see that close up. That's it. Pickle sandwich. 3 different type of ways. Club, Italian, and Chipotle. Okay? So guys, if you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please, please, please guys, hit that bell. Hit that bell. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I do appreciate you. In a minute.